Happy March, you. I have something amazing for you today. We are going to be making a fantastic one-pot creamy chicken Alfredo, but here is the kicker. Instead of using entirely regular pasta, we're gonna switch it up with some Zoodles as well. It's a healthy alternative to carb-packed pasta, and trust me when I say that this dish tastes just about a million times better because you get all of the benefits of the pasta plus the added boost of the Zoodles. I'm Brooke Lark, ambassador for Good Cook, and let's dive in. This recipe is packed with all the good stuff, garlic and Parmesan, and even though we're going to substitute in some Zoodles for some of our noodles, we're not going to be substituting at all for flavor. This thing is perfection. And don't let the Zoodles scare you. With the Good Cook Veggie Spiralizer and Veggie Chopper, this recipe is going to be done as fast as you can boil the pasta. Let's start by drizzling olive oil in a medium-high heat pan and adding garlic puree and shallot. To chop the shallot, simply cut in half and place in the top of a Good Cook Veggie Chopper. Press the lid down and voila! Diced shallots in seconds. Add these to your pan and then add diced chicken and brown. Once the chicken is browned, add 2 ounces of gluten-free spaghetti noodles to your pan. The Good Cook 11-inch deep saute pan fits pasta noodles without breaking, so you can have extra long and twirly noodles. Now we're going to add 1 can of coconut milk and a ½ cup of Parmesan cheese. Cover the pan and bring to a boil for 12 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until your pasta is al dente. While that cooks, we're gonna go ahead and transform our zucchini into Zoodles with the help of the Good Cook countertop spiralizer. You have 3 cut choices here. I'm going to be using the thick spiral. Lock this into place, cut off the ends of your zucchini, and attach to the spiralizer. Pull down the handle on the side and push forward while twisting to make the perfect Zoodles. I love this spiralizer because it's so easy to use and it creates some seriously awesome Zoodles. They're perfect spirally Zoodles every time. And if you don't like zucchini, you can also make noodles from carrots or cucumber or even butternut squash. I also like sweet potato. Now that we've got our Zoodles, we're gonna go ahead and add them to our pan. We wanna make sure that we just gently toss them in here using a pasta fork or pair of tongs, and then just cover it and keep it on the stove until heated up. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. When we're finished, time to garnish. A little parsley and Parmesan, and ta-da! Dinner is done. Okay, hello 15-minute dinner. It is ready. Let's scoop this bad boy up. I love this combination of the pasta with the Zoodles because you really don't feel like you're getting less. You actually feel like you're getting more. It's like a little extra crunch and texture. Oh, this noodle is so long. It's amazing. All right, and let's get that chicken. Oh my gosh. The smells here, the garlic, the shallot, the Parmesan, it's creamy, it's hot, it's delicious. Or is it? Let's find out. Oh, it's so good. I love that combination of the Zoodle with the pasta. Oh yeah. This may be the most delicious way ever to cut your carbs. If you're interested in the full recipe or want to learn more about Good Cook products, make sure to visit goodcook.com. We have so much more in store for you. Every month we drop brand new recipes that are trendy, simple, delicious, and you want to come follow us because you do not want to miss these delicious ideas. Happy cooking.